morning. Oh my gosh, I got a story to tell you guys. Like, seriously. Yeah, good morning. Good morning to you. It's late. I woke up so late. I don't know why. I am a useless human being in the morning. It's 7:07 and I still don't have lunch going. I don't have lunch. But I have a sub that I purchased the other day. So I'm just going to cut that up and throw it in there. The lunch bin. Call it a day. And then I have to get Maddie dressed. I gotta go. Okay, so crisis averted again. Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning. Want to say good morning to the camera, Jason? Good morning. You want to say good morning, Destiny?
Good morning.
Good morning. You want to say good morning, Jordan?
Good morning.
Good morning. You want to say good morning, Jackson?
Good morning.
How many kids does she have?
Signature.
You need my signature? You didn't even have school yesterday. How you need my signature so fast?
Even on Friday.
Hold on. I gotta write his reading book and his thing. Say good morning. Guys. Let's not even talk about Maddie hiding. She's hiding somewhere. Hi. So, I have this amazing story that I was going to tell you guys. But then I was like, I don't know. I don't want to have to put a disclaimer in this video. Because I have a lot of kids that watch. And even though I love the kiddies, it makes it kind of hard to do adult stuff on this channel. Because I just don't want to, I don't want to traumatize nobody's child. You know what I mean? So, disclaimer, because I'm gonna go ahead and leave my story. I just need to find somewhere to sit down to do the story. Let's sit here. So, the other day I was on the floor. Say good morning. Hi. Good morning. Hi. She's talking so much more these days, guys. But let me get my tripod, okay? I'm gonna get my tripod because I found me a little spot right here. Right here. I'm gonna tell you guys a little story. So let me go get my tripod. Now I'll be right back. Leave it! Didn't I just say to leave it, Maddie? Leave it. It will fall upon you. So, is that my phone ringing? Yeah. So, alright. So I'm gonna tell you guys the story, right? And if you're under the age of 18, do not watch this video. This is not for you. I will link a video that you can go watch that is child appropriate. But this video is for my adult viewers. So, and adult meaning you're over the age of 18. I wouldn't even suggest younger kids. I wouldn't even suggest 18-year-olds watch this because you're not an adult. You're still a child. Leave it! But at the age of 18, I was doing stuff I shouldn't be doing. So, yeah, whatever. Anyways, I feel like this camera is way too close. But, so, tell me why the other day, I'm going to share this experience with you guys. So, I felt the need to share, so I'm going to share. So, the other day, I was laying on the couch with my husband, and we weren't laying on the couch, Janice. We were laying on the floor. We were laying on the floor, and Daddy was on the floor. So we were on the floor, and all of a sudden, Janice came. Janice loves to come whenever time it has anything to do with Marcelo. Like, she's obsessed with Marcelo. She loves Marcelo. After editing this video, I decided not to share. And, hey. I'm freaking out. I can't find Maddie. She was just on the stairs. I went upstairs already and I checked and I can't find her. Let's go together, okay? Maddie? Oh my gosh. This is the time when Jace likes to come out. And my anxiety So I check my bedroom. Maddie? Maddie? Madison? 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 Maddie? Madison? Maddie? Where are you? Where? Maddie? Where are you? Where? Where are you? Why do you play so much? Why were you in there? Madison. Madison. Why were you in there? Didn't you hear me come up here and call you? Huh? Why did you hide from mommy? Maddie. Why did you hide from mommy? Why did you close the door? Huh? You don't know? Who brought you in the closet? Huh? Why were you hiding? You don't know? Let's go downstairs. What do you mean no? What? Let's go downstairs. We have to go. I knew she had to be in the house, but I just don't know. Because I came and I checked this room. I checked this room. She wasn't in here. Because I opened the door and I said, Maddie. She didn't answer. I closed the door. Checked my room. She wasn't there. Checked the other kid's room. She wasn't there. Went back downstairs. That's when I picked up the camera. Because I was like, what the heck? But luckily, I found her and she's okay. I don't know why she was hiding. Oh my gosh. I hate when my emotions get like that. Guys, I'm making dinner. I haven't really vlogged all day because I don't really know what I want to do with this video. But right now I'm making curry chicken. Turn that off. It's really, you have to hold the candle at a angle to get great lighting in this house because of where the windows are placed. But right now I'm making curry chicken. Marcelo is working late today, so it's just me and the children home right now. He won't be home until pretty late. It's just wife of a trucker, you know what I mean? He was on the road today, which he hasn't been on the road in a while because of the situation with transferring his license from Maryland to the state in which we live in now has been ridiculous. Like, he has to do a few of his endorsements that he had on his license. He has to do those over because they didn't transfer over. So I'm like this close to losing it because, you know, that's how he makes his money is from his endorsement, and we can't afford for him to lose for them to cut his pay, because basically they would cut him back down to what, you know, the regular CDL driver makes. So they're doing chores. The older boys are doing chores. Destiny already took a bath with Maddie. So stinking cute, guys. Let me show you her. Oh, what are you up to? Say hi, Maddie. You haven't said hi to the sunshine. Why are you on the computer? Why are you? Look at this, Lord. Mommy. What, baby? Mommy. Oh, that's just a circle. You can't touch it. Did you say hi to the sunshines?
Hi.
Why are you typing? What are you typing? Are you trying to work the computer?
Yeah.
Yes.
I turned it off. See, Maddie.
Maddie?
Mommy.
Maddie?
Yeah?
They're trying to say hello. The sunshine, they're trying to say hello.
Hi.
They're right here.
Hi.
Say hi, guys. How was your day?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just want to get back to what you were doing, right? Right? Okay, you want to say hello?
Hi. Do I have chores?
Yeah, you finished it. Want to say hello, Jordan?
Hey.
Hey? No?
Yeah.
He's the non-speaker around here. Want to say hello, mister?
What?
Hi. They're all non-speakers. It's like...
Hi.
Want to vlog?
I don't know.
Nobody wants to vlog and and I'm trying to cook. I don't think they want to see my curry chicken. You guys see my curry chicken how many times?
Or we can vlog.
So let me finish up this chicken before my husband gets through the door and there's nothing to eat.
Black.
What are you doing?
A 3.
Homeworks are done? Did you study for your science test?
I don't have a science test.
You do have a science test on Thursday.
I have a science test on my phone.
Where's the science
My
review?
teacher took it.
Why she took it?
I don't know.
Okay, did you work on your spelling? Spelling and memory verse. What's your memory verse? Turn that down. What's your memory verse?
What's she passing?
No, Maddie didn't just pass the computer. No. Do you know how to operate the computer? Yeah, how did you learn that? Yeah, don't touch the computer. Don't touch the computer. Leave it alone. What I say? Leave it alone. You understand me, young lady? Young lady? Young lady? You understand me, young lady? Jordan, come put the stuff away that you used to clean the kitchen. The mops and the brooms and all of that. That trash right there needs to go in the big trash bag. I said it before, Jordan.
I love you.
What's the memory verse?
I love you, the Lord.
No, there's no you.
I love the Lord.
I love the Lord because He hears. So work on that. You don't know it, and we're Tuesday.
I love the Lord because He hears my voice and my prayer for mercy because He bends down to listen. I will pray as long as I have breath. Psalm 116, 1-2.
Verse 1-2.
I know my memory verse.
That's what that means.
Fear
Verse
not,
1-2.
I have redeemed you. I have redeemed you with all my heart. I am yours. No, you are mine.
You are mine. You know your memory verse?
No.
No? You need to work on that ASAP. ASAP. So, it's hard. It's guys, I'm telling you, it's not easy when my husband is late or he's running late because my chicken is burning. My chicken is burning and I have to be on top of homework and on top of Maddie. I just stick her on the computer because I don't want her doing any more disappearing act right now. And I need the kids to get on top of their homework. Jackson has a science test on Thursday. I can't even find the paper. Whoa there, buddy. And I can't even operate this thing.
I can vlog.
I'll be back, guys. Coming to the stage is Miss Betty. Wait, I gotta find it. Okay, here. What's going on up there? Cut it up. So, I need to go edit my video. But Someone asked me if I could do a Q&A. So if you guys want me to do a Q&A, leave all your questions that you want me to answer down below, and I will try my best to answer them tomorrow. Either I do a sit down video, answer the questions, or I just throw it in the vlog. Oh my gosh, this child is not happy. What, Madison? What happened? They paused it? Yeah, we can play it, but we gotta turn it down. We gotta turn it down, okay? Look at this, door, Jesus. Alright, go ahead, you can play it.
I can hear the silence.
It's playing, it's just down.
Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why.
I'm not gonna
hide it.
There you go.
I'm not gonna lie.
Is that okay?
I know you can see it.
Yeah?
What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into.
Oh, she just said, excuse me. Oh my Lord. Maddie just, Maddie is the joy of our, what's the matter? So yeah, like I was saying, if you guys want the Q&A, just leave all the questions that you have down below, and I will try my best to answer them. And also, leave her, Jaxson. Also, another thing is, leave your suggestions on what kind of videos you want to see from us, because right now I'm just like I don't know what else to do other than, you know, just these boring vlogs. So if you want to see something, let me know. I will do my best to accommodate those kind of videos, if it's not too much. But just leave your suggestions on what you want. I'm gonna do shout outs for the day, and I'm gonna go get this video edited, because I need to get this video up, exported by 6:30. And it's oh, my husband just called me, so I need to hurry up so I can call him back. He called me today. I was so excited because, you know, as a trucker's wife, they can't really be on the phone, so I don't get to hear from him during the day. So I'm gonna do comments. So let me pull those up. Thank you guys so much for your support. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. So let's see. Jeremy, she goes by Cameron. Hey girl, she's saying the struggles with curl hair. Oh my gosh, the struggle is real, like legit real when it comes to curly hair children. Oh, I think daily detangling and make sure their hair is in a style that prevents it from getting tangled is the best way to go when it comes to curly hair. Becca, hey girl. Oh, Becca, you're amazing. I love you. Your kids are so well behaved. I have amazing children. They are, but they have their moments. They do. A hearty slice of mommy life. Hey there, girly. You're so calm, and your household is so calm. Every now and then they act up. Every now and then. Sarah, hey girl. I'm not even going to try to butcher your last name. She said you're so calm again. I have my moments when I feel like I'm going to go crazy, but then Janice takes over because she's really good with the kids. She's really good. Kathy, she said I'm glad the man wasn't there, wasn't still in the truck. I was glad too, because I was like, Lord knows I would be responsible. Kicking it with the Grants. Hey Shay. Hey Shay. Maddie took a bath in the sink or get your hair washed. Both. Elmo's glue, yeah, they make a lot of money off of that thing. No wonder they jacked up the price, because glue used to be very inexpensive. Now It's just like the asthma medicine and the EpiPens and all of that. Grow with Nikki. I just love the way you parent your kids. Thank you, Nikki. Anyways, that's it. This wasn't a lot of comments today, which is good because it gives me a break from responding. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.
Bye.